This is going to be a video tutorial on how to restrict who can see your profile photo on Telegram. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Telegram app. To restrict who can see your profile photo, you first want to open up settings. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to my little settings icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to scroll down a little ways down to where I see privacy and security. Tap on privacy and security. And then in the privacy area, right down here, profile photos. As you can see, by default, it's probably set to everybody. I'm going to tap on it though. It says, who can see my profile photo? You can select between three different things. Everybody, you can see I have a check mark next to everybody. That's what's currently selected. You can go with only your contacts or with nobody. If you didn't want nobody to see your profile photo, you would tap on nobody. And then down below that, you could add exceptions, always share with, and you could add users. But that is how to restrict your profile photo on Telegram. Thanks for watching.